What I keep in my truck? Well, depends. If we're going somewhere for a while, where I've got the whole family with me, I take my MPAP. That's a Zastava M85. Clear. Take the doggy too. But usually every day I've got my shield on me. It's safe. But this is a new addition. I traded a extra Glock 40 I had, or Glock 22 to be exact, C, and picked up this. And the cool thing about it is it's chambered in 5.56 AK pistol, but it takes your standard GI mags, P mags. So it's a nifty little thing. I've got a Century Arms pistol brace coming for it. Make it a little easier to shoot, especially since the ATF reversed its ruling on pistol braces. Hell yeah. But like I said, things you should probably have. I mean, this isn't like a bug out kit or anything. It's just what I have. Usually, and it all fits in the console, except for Zastava. I mean, we all need a good knife. Console. This is my gun tool. I can pretty much take apart anything that has a little Allen wrench, or that needs an Allen wrench, or you know, any weird things. Can't get it to zoom. It's called a gun tool. I actually keep, you know, earplugs just in case. You never know when you might actually have time to put them on. We all need a good flashlight. My Smith & Wesson. Picked that up at Academy for like 15 bucks. Come with a pouch and everything. I got extra batteries for it. 2 magazines full of 5.56. And yeah, that's what I keep in the car. This doesn't go every time, but always have something. Ain't that right, Pooch?